These niggas laughing at my fit like I was born with clothes. Man, I'm trying to get you to open that eye, but you want it closed. You can never understand my words, cause you niggas is whole. Slow motion, better than no motion, so what's the commotion? You niggas bragging about the guns and the shit you told. I get to laughing at y'all niggas cause y'all really jokes. Cause every nigga you sliding on look just like you. But when the police on your ass, you wanna act brand new. If you wanna be a tough guy, you gotta see it through. I just want you to keep that energy cause you don't have no clue. You sliding on the wrong fucking side, this from me to you. Every fucking body that you got, what's they fucking color? He feeling like the man with that weapon. Oh, he Danny Glover. Really had a lot of feelings for her, but she ain't let me love her. It get really cold in the battlefield so you could take cover. When I talk about motion, I ain't talking about no money, bro. I'm talking about that mental progress, just to let you know. But they too near me not to hear me, I can't let them kill me. I had to dig deep inside just to find the real me. But it ain't over, I'm still striving to be better and better. I put my heart on my shirt, heart out my chest. And yeah, I know I'm fucking different, nothing like the rest. They tried to trick me on my spot, but I passed that test. What don't kill me make me stronger, on to the next. And it's a message from my brothers, I ain't mad at you. I know this world think we nothing and they laugh at you. But I cannot be your QB and throw a pass at you. I still got work to do too, I can't skip practice. I'm just a man on a mission, can't worry about the fiction. When I walk and I step, they say I move different. Sometimes don't even talk a lot, it never hurt to listen. Just take a look at your life and see what you missing.